Hi, I'm Kenneth Wylie. I'm a lead behavioral health technician at ASH, the Arizona State Hospital. A behavioral health technician's job is to help the patient population learn the skills needed for daily living. The qualities needed to be a behavioral health technician is to be an individual that's professional, empathetic, and has the ability to adapt to different changes that happen on a daily basis. I started off at high school, eventually found my way on a city bus with a friend that was going to the Marine Corps recruiting department. I didn't have anything to do that day, so I decided to go with them myself. So I joined the Marine Corps. I was there for 4 years, helped me become a more rounded person. I later went to an ITT tech school and got a degree in computer engineering. I then moved out to Arizona and I worked for a company that was building computers mostly for hospitals. And although it was a lucrative job at that particular time, I realized that that wasn't what I liked to do. I later found myself at the Department of Corrections. The structure of the Department of Corrections was something that I enjoyed. Later on, still staying within the state, I found myself at the Arizona State Hospital where I am now. I joined them as a security officer, working my way there for about a year. And then seeing the other behavioral techs caught my interest. I was able to partner with some of the supervisors and nurses at the campus and went and decided to join an entry-level position at the hospital as Behavioral Health Technician 1. And then through the time and dedication, I was able to go ahead and advance up the ranks into the position I am now as the lead technician. I had a more sense of gratification knowing that I can help an individual that maybe society forgot about or maybe society didn't want to remember, and that I can be there helping the sickest of the sick with their daily lives and helping them get better. Being a behavioral health tech is a gratifying role. You get many opportunities to help patients with their growth, with their classes. Some patients need more care than other patients, so there's gonna be time that you're gonna be there and you're gonna have to, help them get dressed or help them get to whatever classes they need to be at. At any given time, you're gonna have patients moving from their living units to different areas where they may be doing groups or rehab facilities, exercising, doing mental health assessments. It's geared toward them being independent to see how they can reintegrate back into society. Working in the Arizona State Hospital, I have the opportunity to work with psychiatrists, psychologists, nurses with master's degrees in nursing, doctors. So there's a dynamic opportunity at the Arizona State Hospital. If I further my education, I could become a nurse and work at the Arizona State Hospital. I could become a social worker and work at the Arizona State Hospital. The resources are limitless. The opportunity for growth is limitless. Since my time at the hospital, I've had a big change in what I felt about mental health. I would go to say that I was on the wrong side of the stigma that was put in the mental health community. So it was easy for me to look the other way. It was easy for me to sit at a stop sign and just drive by somebody on the corner who looks like they may need help. But to sit in the hospital now and to see that mental health is a real thing, to see somebody that may need medication and watch when the medication is administered, it's very enlightening to see that medication can really help an individual that may need it, and to be able to be a part of a group that can help those patients get back to solid ground is very, very rewarding. The Arizona State Hospital isn't just a job for me, it's an opportunity for me to do something that gives me gratification, that gives me a purpose here in Arizona. When people say it's not just a job, it's a career, it's not even just a career, it's a lifestyle. And I see myself choosing to be a part of the Arizona State Hospital for many years to come. If you ever thought about delivering professional care and being able to get outside of yourself and join a team of professionals, then I would say come down to the Arizona State Hospital, take a tour, take a look, see if it's right for you. And if it is, then you'll enjoy a great career path.